Afrobeat for us is a representation of African music as a whole. Afrobeat has had a very successful year. We have reached broader international market. We have songs playing on radio stations across the world. With the rise of artists like Burna Boy, Runtown, and more, the culture awareness is really growing. This is what Afrobeat sounds like.
We started this party a few years ago when we realized that at an event, usually people feel like a particular genre is being played only. We want everybody who feels the need to celebrate a full, successful year for Afrobeat music. We want people to just feel good, come have a good time, listen to their own types of music from their own country, feel happy, be grateful that it's been really an amazing year for Africans.
So this event, we are keen to provide you all types of music from all types of backgrounds. It's going to be DJ YB, G Flame, and more. So it's going to be December 7th at the iconic Chelsea Music Hall.
This is the vibe we're delivering. This is the vibe we're bringing to you. So we'd love to see you. Get your tickets and get ready.
Baby, one love, no they act up.